Hello there. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can sort a data from a table in SQL using the order by clause. So sorting can be done in three forms. The first one is in ascending, second one is in descending, and the third one where multiple columns are involved, which may include ascending as well as descending order of columns. So let's check what is the syntax if you have to sort in ascending. So you need to write this particular command, which is select followed by the column name, or you may also use asterisks over here if you want to display all the records based on that condition. So select column name or put an asterisk from table name, then order by followed by the column name. So here the column name that you are writing, so here the column name that you put actually defines based on which column the data is going to be sorted. Next, if you have to sort the data in descending order, then the command is going to be exactly the same like this one, only you need to add the keyword DESC at the end. You may think that why we don't need to add anything in case of ascending. So I would like to mention that even if you write ASC at the end after writing the column name, that is going to behave in the same way how it would even without writing the keyword ASC. So the order by clause actually displays data in ascending order even if you write it or not. But in case of descending, we need to mention specifically like by using this keyword, which is DESC. Now let's say you have to sort multiple columns, then how it's going to happen? Like let's say you have data which is name, then you have address, and let's say you have marks. So let's say you are sorting on basis of name. Okay, so maybe you have two names which are same. Now how is it going to sort the other part? So it will take, let's say you are displaying two columns, name and marks, then it will check for the marks column. Let's say here you have 65 and here you have 75. It will display 65, that is this column will be displayed first and this will be displayed second. That is for the other column, it automatically by default accepts the ascending order. Okay, but in case you want to mention it specifically, like you want to make it in a descending order, then you have to provide that data in your command like this, like select column 1, column 2 from table name, order by column 1 DESC and column 2 ASC. So that's how we are going to write it. Now let's check this out in the MySQL window. Now let's say this is my data from the table student details and I want to sort the entire table by making the name column in ascending order and then I'll make it in descending order. So how am I going to do it? I need to write select, put an asterisk sign from, write the name of the table, then you need to write order by and just put the name of the column on basis of which you want to sort it. So that's it. That's how we can sort the table based on a particular column. And as you can see over here, the name column is sorted in ascending order. Although we have not mentioned anything, I'll show a few more things by just making a few changes to this column. Even if I write ASC at the end, it will print in the same way like it did even without writing ASC. Now I'll just change ASC and make it as DESC. And now you can see that the alphabets like A, E have come to the end, which means that, and you can see W, T, S are in the beginning. So this table is actually sorted in descending order. Okay. Now let's say we want to sort on the basis of marks. Now how it will happen? So I'll just change this name column and I'll make it to marks. So let's say we want to sort in this order. Now as you can see that there are many students who have actually scored same, like over here you can see there are two students, there are three, As you can see, there are 3 students who have actually scored 78. Now let's check the values over here. As you can see, it has taken the first column, which is the student ID, and it has sorted the data based on that. Like see, for 78, the first value is S003, then the second value is S013, and the third one is for S018. So in this manner, it will automatically detect one column and it will sort based on that particular column. But if you want to make it manual, like you want to provide your own details, then in that case, let's say we want to sort mainly by marks in descending, and I'll put a comma, I'll write here name, and I'll write ASC. Now if you check the same values, let's say 78, 78, 78, you can see it's the name starting with A, then again A, and finally we have the name starting with I. So now the table is sorted in ascending based on the name list if the values in the marks column are same. So that's how we sort data in SQL using the order by clause. Okay, now if you have any queries or doubt related to this video, then please do leave comments below and watch the next video to learn more about SQL. Okay, so keep watching.